This moment makes everything worthwhile. Everything that happened last night, everything that I was trying to forget, I am proud to remember. I can say it now. I can shout it now. Where are your pincers and your thumb screws? Where are your whips? This morning you begged us to live. The answer is no. No! You must finish what you've begun.